with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a 3-day nor'easter in the process of moving out to sea later on this evening and during the overnight hours. Still holding on to some light to at times moderate rain, but even that will be ending shortly. We go to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, still showing some green on the screen, but already in our northern suburbs seeing signs of rain-free skies and drier air. That'll be working in during the overnight hours and certainly by tomorrow morning. But the flood warning continues for rivers and streams, so the storm will be moving out overnight and into Tuesday, and a huge payback, weather reward, if you will, coming up this week. It'll start to feel more like spring, and yes, we do have temperatures close to 60 degrees in the forecast. Meanwhile, Patuxent River, again, major flooding continues through Tuesday, and then falling below flood stage or below major status Wednesday and Thursday. It may take until Thursday for the waters to completely go below flood stage, 5.8 feet above. That is a record level. On my way to work this afternoon, this is, well, ironically, River Street in the Natick section of West Warwick, and you can see that, well, the street's completely covered in water. Houses and businesses all covered in water as well. Like a friend of mine, Al Lancelota, telling me that the Natick ball field in West Warwick completely covered in water, and neighborhoods and homes in that area covered in water as well. Blackstone River, again, the minor flooding situation only because it's a larger river, so it's only about a foot above flood stage, and expect it to fall below flood stage by tomorrow afternoon, late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Not as serious as what's going on across the Patuxent River, Cranston, West Warwick, and Warwick. Temperatures now are in the upper 30s in many locations, even had a couple of wet snowflakes mixing in with a few of the raindrops, so kind of a brisk, raw, and chilly night. The storm center, the nor'easter, the problem is that it was parked in this position and didn't move all weekend long, so it produced those strong gales Saturday and Sunday, and it's still pinwheeling in some clouds and moisture, but at the same time, take note of the drier air just over the border in southeastern Canada, northern New England. That'll work down overnight just in time for tomorrow. Here's the bigger view, and you can see the swirl right there offshore. Notice how it's sinking off to the south, so good news there. And meanwhile, this little clear wedge will work in for tomorrow, and that will promise some sunshine finally coming in. So overnight tonight, the showers and the drizzle coming to an end. 5 o'clock in the morning, it's just cloudy and dry, temperature at 35. Kids heading out to school in the morning or heading out to work, the commute, a cloudy start. It will be drier, temperature around 39. Later in the morning and then during the afternoon, a rare appearance sunshine. Noontime 48, 2 o'clock 51, 5 o'clock in the evening we're looking good at 49 degrees. City by city and town by town, a much improved day. Breezy and dry, the winds out of the northeast, upper 40s to around 52, 53 should do it with increasing amounts of sunshine. They're a lot cooler across the Cape and the islands with a northeast wind off the water. Take you into Wednesday and beyond, and we are talking spring fever here. Upper 50s to around 60. Gorgeous stretch of weather. Upper 50s to around 60 Wednesday through Saturday. Next chance of rain is sometime on Sunday. We're thinking either late in the day or on Sunday night into Monday with temperatures in the mid-50s. So better weather to assess the situation in places like West Warwick, Warwick, and Cranston along the Patuxent River, and a nice quiet week to dry out.
Yeah, we need the sun. All right, thanks, Tony. Coming up next on Eyewitness News, a day on the water turns into a scary situation when a small boat is caught in swift currents and the rescue